The manufacturing space is getting more competitive each day. It is crucial to get your products to market faster to remain relevant in the competitive market. One way to do this is by incorporating rapid tooling into your manufacturing process.
What exactly is rapid tooling, and when should you choose it?
Rapid tooling is mold or prototype created from lower-cost materials like soft steel or aluminum. It is a great way to fulfill small batch orders for product evaluations and marketing samples. But how is this different from conventional tooling? The conventional mold tools are made from hardened steel, which can take several weeks to complete, depending on the component's complexity and size. Rapid tooling made from either aluminum or softer steel. Thus, it is more affordable, especially for small projects. Unlike conventional tooling, rapid tooling involves much fewer steps in the product development cycle. It effectively speeds up the molding process, ensuring rapid turnaround times. Likewise, the lesser time spent on product development helps to reduce product development costs. With rapid tooling or prototypes, you can tailor it to meet unique requirements. Mold customization allows you to try different custom shapes, designs, and finishes. This initiates good opportunities for improvements, enabling you to design parts with complex geometries. Once created, you have the freedom for thorough test design and functionality. You can test these new ideas, explore the flaws in the designs, and make necessary adjustments before production. As a result, you will be able to prevent many issues that may arise during high-volume production. The advantages I discussed above all ensure faster time to market. The faster you can complete the prototyping and testing stage, the sooner you will finalize the product design and get into full-scale production. Faster production, cost-saving, and accurate tool all lead to efficient production. This translates to positive impacts on your business and bottom line. However, it is important to mention that rapid tooling molds are not built to last, so the molds have shorter life cycles, translating to higher injection and labor costs. As this video comes to an end, I believe that you have a clearer view of what rapid tooling entails. It is a cost-efficient and fast way to complete a low-volume injection molding project, and it works for different kinds of plastic parts. At RapidDirect, we combine our engineering capabilities, experience, and advanced technologies to create high-quality rapid tooling for your prototypes and short production projects. Our team has what it takes to handle your rapid tooling requirements, so don't hesitate to contact us. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications to get more enlightening content like this. See you in the next video.